out. I've never done an exclusive
Galaxy Glow in the Dark
set. I've
set.
never gotten this many pairs
Disco
of
ball.
glasses at once, so I'm pretty excited about this. First pair of glasses that I got are obviously the ones that I am wearing right now. These are from the brand Cazal. The frames are so dope and seriously so unique. So if you're trying to find a different brand that has some funky glasses, they have a lot of Cazal glasses on Frames Direct. So I got not the black frames because I wanted them to be a little more unique. So they're actually blue on the top, like they're kind of like striped with blue and black. And the rims are gold, and they're gold right over here, and they have this cool little bridge thing. My brother was literally like, why do you have a bridge on your glasses? And I was like, because I'm cool. And I really like the sides. They say Cazal on the sides in gold with a bunch of gold and blue detailing. I have gotten so many compliments on these online, like on my videos.
This is this color
like
here.
The glasses case is also super cute.
Actually
They came
green.
in this awesome blue case, and they also came with a black cleaning cloth. So the next pair I got were these Versace glasses. So the box is just white with Versace in gold lettering. Oh, glasses are off, and I'm going blind mode right now to show you guys the next pair.
And if you put your name in the comment below, I'll shout you out, like some of my friends. Shanice, Amber, Mariam, Kushma, Shandon, and Angel, and loads more. If you check out my video and subscribe and add a thumbs up.